Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the review of the most unexpected, yet thrilling innovations from BMW, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. BMW has stepped into the luxury motorhome world, blending its signature German engineering with the comfort and versatility of a mobile home. This is not just a concept vehicle, it's a bold statement that luxury road travel has truly arrived. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the presence is undeniable. The front design is unmistakably BMW, with its aggressive kidney grille and laser-sharp LED lighting signature. The proportions are sleek and futuristic, striking a perfect balance between utility and style. With metallic yellow as one of its headline color options, this motorhome doesn't try to hide, it demands attention. The alloy wheels are massive and sculpted to match the vehicle's bold presence, and subtle aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly across the length of the body, giving it a premium yet performance-oriented vibe. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that feels more like a first-class lounge than a traditional RV. BMW's craftsmanship is on full display here. Plush leather seats with massage functions, ambient lighting with customizable moods, a panoramic smart glass roof, and premium materials throughout the cabin make every mile feel like a five-star experience. The living space has been designed to maximize comfort without compromising on style. There's a full lounge area with a fold-out old TV, a compact but high-tech kitchenette with a built-in induction stove, and even a bathroom fitted with a rain shower and EcoSmart water system. The driver's cabin is a tech lover's dream, with a curved digital display, voice-activated controls, and BMW's latest drive interface seamlessly connected to the vehicle's onboard systems. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain developed in-house, offering a combined output of over 500 horsepower. Despite its size, the motorhome accelerates smoothly and confidently thanks to intelligent torque distribution and adaptive suspension. BMW's xDrive system has been tuned specifically for long-haul comfort and variable road conditions, making this an ideal choice whether you're gliding through city streets or cruising across mountain passes. The vehicle also offers semi-autonomous driving features for highway travel, giving drivers the chance to relax and let the machine do the work. Range is impressive, too, with the electric system capable of delivering over 100 miles on its own before the combustion engine kicks in for extended trips. Efficiency, power, and smoothness all blend together into a drive that feels far more refined than anything else in this segment. In terms of pricing, the 2026 BMW Motorhome starts at around $120, depending on configurations and optional packages. That's definitely premium territory, but for what it offers, the value is justified. It's not just transportation, it's a mobile lifestyle experience. For those who want the luxury of a BMW and the freedom of the open road, this motorhome checks every box. Whether you're an adventurer, a digital nomad, or someone who just enjoys traveling in style, this might just be your ultimate vehicle. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more futuristic reviews just like this one.